Okay, so if you're not connected to a actual company network and you're just connecting this to the switch and the switch to the Presscommander, what you want to do is you want to go over to the network, hold down to do a right click, hit properties. You want to do change adapter settings, and then you want to double click on that, click on properties, and go down to where it says Internet Protocol TCP/IP v4 properties, and you need to assign an IP address since you're not connected to a network, which would automatically assign you an IP address. So in this case, now we got to type in 192.168.0, and then 139, anything but 141, because 141 is what the Presscommander set at. So let me open that up again. So now it's saying 192.168.0.139.255.255.250. That's all you need to do. Close, close, close that. Now you're back to the screen. So now you'll see the IP address down here will change to what you just assigned it to. So now you can actually launch the Commander without a company network, because now you'll be connected. So now you're connected to the actual Commander directly, because that's the Commander's IP address, 141.